Here at the Fort Lauderdale International Airport, waiting our Lyft ride now. It's gonna be our very first Lyft ride ever.
Coffee and bakery that looks like they have more food.
So we were supposed to leave from Fort Lauderdale to Nashville, Tennessee, and when we got to Nashville, Tennessee, they ended up having to turn the plane around to Atlanta, Georgia, because the runways were not clear. There's an ice storm, snowstorm going on right now in Nashville, Tennessee. I am completely exhausted. It is currently 12:43 a.m. So when we landed now in Atlanta, Georgia, then they told us that they were going to send us from Atlanta, Georgia back to Fort Lauderdale in Florida, and we're going to spend the night in the airport in Fort Lauderdale in Florida, spend another day in Fort Lauderdale, and then take off the following night and give it another go to see if the weather clears up or not, and then drive 2.5 hours up to Louisville, Kentucky. So stay tuned.
And we'll get you down to back down to Fort Lauderdale as quickly and safely as we can. Thank you for your patience.
The airplane finally just took off. It is currently 1:34 a.m. We are now flying back about 2 hours to Fort Lauderdale in Florida. We're gonna probably be there by around 3 a.m., maybe close to 4 a.m. So we're out here in beautiful Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We currently just checked out, and now we're gonna go and grab some food from Starbucks that's pretty close nearby. We booked an Airbnb that isn't too far. It's only about a 12-minute drive, so we'll be catching a Lyft ride there later. Went to bed at 6 a.m., woke up at about 10:45 a.m. this morning. It is currently now 1 p.m. We're now leaving Wednesday night at 8:40 p.m. from Fort Lauderdale Airport to Nashville, Tennessee. We'll just get there when we get there. It is currently what day is it? Day 4?
Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, day 4.
Today is day 4 here in Florida. We got some new clothes for the day. After we get coffee, we're then gonna go head over to the beach. Finally made it here to the beach. There's Peyton blowing up her pool floaty.
Hello.
We're gonna take these out into the water. I got mine all right here blown up. Typical tourist out here.